Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's me, Flea, back with another unboxing. Today, I'm unboxing something that I've been contemplating on buying simply because I was waiting for the new AirPod Maxes. Big disappointment. So, I ended up buying the Sony WH-1000XM5s. And I'm hyped. Let's get these open. First thing that greets me is, of course, the user guide and the manual, which is neatly attached to the case. Inside the envelope, there's a free trial for Sony 360 Reality Audio. It's a nice bonus for those audio files. The case itself is sleek and compact, comes in a thin hard shell material which seems easy for traveling and also to throw in your gym bag to prevent scratches or even breaking them like I did my last pair. Next up, we got the headphones sitting snug in an eco-friendly case. Digging a bit deeper, we've got an aux cable for when you want to go wired and a USB-C charging cable. The way the case is designed allows you to keep your cables organized. And here they are, my new Sony WH-1000XM5 noise canceling headphone, looking much cleaner than the AirPod Maxes in my opinion. The ear cups have this matte finish that screams premium. Overall, soft. I can see me wearing these for hours throughout the day. Towards the bottom, you have the connection for the auxiliary port, the USB-C, the power button, and noise canceling / ambient mode button. These headphones are widely acclaimed for their exceptional noise canceling capabilities. The headband itself has a soft, smooth material and lightweight, which is clutch for those long listening sessions. On the inside, you have your right and your left indicator, allowing you to put them on correctly. Now that new YNJ just dropped, it's time to give these a test.